What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today we've got our D in the driver's seat, baby, because he's got, yeah, that right there. Incredible. So let's get into it. Good job. He's learning about the seat right now. We're gonna just turn this off for a minute. Can you see it over the hood now? Front of the car?
Yep.
Okay. Looks like you're about to touch the top. How about your mirrors?
Nope.
Can you see it out your mirrors?
Yeah.
Behind you?
Yeah.
Alright. Are we ready to drive?
No.
We got a low fuel sign, so we already know about that. When you're ready, you go. Slow.
Hey.
You don't gotta go that fast.
Recording me.
Just this little part. Okay. Brother! He did amazing. He really did. He did great. Except, wait a second. He did great. Minus that one time. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But this is exciting times for us as we're starting to get some younger ones into driving actual cars legally. Because, you know, we do it legally, right, Audie?
Yeah.
So we'll catch you when we do this with Lily. This is going to be a fun vlog. Alright guys, I'm not going to quite show you, but Audie is off in his first driver's ed test. Let's just take a peek, okay? Just a peek. Because he's a little nervous, and it's okay. Like, it's going to be a good time. It's going to be great. He's going to do amazing. I'm peeking. They're still working on backing out and testing the driving, so let's just take a quick little peek, alright? Can you see? Kinda. Yep. All right. That's all you're getting for your little peek. He's a little nervous over there, so it's okay. He's getting to talk with the instructor. It's great. It's gonna be a good time for him. I'm excited for him, but I know. Yeah, still sitting there. That's okay. It's okay. He's doing great. It's gonna do great. God's got them. Hallelujah. All right. There they go. They're off. They just pulled off. I can't tell which way they're going, but I'm trying to be hidden so I don't make him nervous, because I know he gets a little nervous. Y'all just got a peek or something. That's okay. Yep, there he goes. Good job, Bubba. Get it. I don't know if you can see through that dirty window. There he goes. He's doing great. Yeah, it's our boy right there. Okay, we're recording for insurance purposes. I'm just kidding. Just in case. Lily is preparing to get behind the wheel of the Nissan. Don't worry. I will only record everything. Just kidding. I mean everything. Gotta get that seat in the right spot. Because, you know, she's a lot shorter than me and can't quite see like I can. Let's see how she does. So far, so good. There's a what?
Low tire pressure.
Yeah, I guess you failed. We can't drive.
Thinking back left wheel.
Yeah, we gotta air it up. Can't drive. It'll be okay. It's not that low. Can you see out your mirrors?
I'm checking.
You should be able to. You should not have to rock back and forth like you're doing to see him. You shouldn't have to look up weird. Move it to where you need it. Sit. Don't over. Gotta do it. Ugh. We survived, guys. Lily didn't participate, but we totally smoked. Nothing. She did great. Let's get to the next part. Wow. Cohen might have got hit though. Well, that's it. The kids are driving. They have both successfully passed their driver's ed. It is pretty awesome and pretty cool to see them go through that process. It is totally different from when I did it, but they did great. And now they're driving, and soon this right here is gonna be on the road, going good, and they'll be driving this instead of driving our Nissan. I think once they get to driving this, it's going to be so much easier and so much better on them and for them, because one, this is a lot smaller. Two, it's a whole lot easier to see over the hood, because well, Lily's a little short, and this seat goes up a lot higher than the Nissan does, so she's able to actually see all the way. Unlike in the Nissan, it's a little bit different. Anyhow, about this car, we're gonna have an entire build series happening very, very soon, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. We bought this car for $100, and it has needed a lot of work. So we're gonna go back in time, before even the headlights were in, before it was in the garage, to when we picked this thing up and brought it home. And then we'll show you guys some of the work. Actually, I want to say we're gonna have all the work that we do to it on the channel, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button. And if you guys enjoyed this video, smash that like button. We'll catch you in the next one, and I hope that we'll see you on the road very soon. This Beetle will be on the road very soon. Have a great night. God bless y'all.